broke an axle. He almost hit the wall when he grabbed back on that button. Man. Alrighty, guys. It is time. Ain't nothing happened to him. He ain't wrecked, he ain't touched nothing, but I think he broke an axle, y'all. So what we gonna do? We headed over here. Hey! It's time. It's time to fill up my cup. It's time, y'all. Let's go fill it up. Fill it up, fill it up. Hey, 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 Fill it up, fill it up. I'm about to put some Hennessy in my cup. Hey, fill it up, fill it up. About to go put this Hennessy in my cup. Hey. Fill it up, fill it up. Yes, ma'am, I want some Hennessy in my cup. Hey. Fill it up, fill it up. Trying to get some more Hennessy in my cup. Hey. Don't try to run. I'm ready, miss.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, yeah. Fill it up, fill it up. About to put some more Hennessy in my cup. Fill it up, ooh yeah.
You want a shot of what?
Hennessy. Say Hennessy. Hey, what's that? Oh, that's me.
Yeah, well, they gave us little ones.
Miss, y'all getting worse and worse.
No, you know what happened?
No, I don't know.
This is all you can get.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
So I have to buy like 10 of them.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, because I didn't have any of the big ones.
Damn.
Doesn't that look good?
It look good, huh? Ooh, that look good. I might got a tip. Hey, yo. Damn. Yeah, Miss Galen said he was gonna get the price dropped for me. You ain't heard about that? Yeah, the price finna get dropped for me. He said he tired.
For you?
Yeah.
Just for you.
Yeah, for me only. He said cause I'm bringing people and they get my drink. I'm bringing more business. They actually watching my YouTube channel and they coming to get my drink. They going to the bar because of me. Therefore, I'm bringing more business to y'all. Okay. And they get my drink. They ain't the drink called the lookout. Look, you gotta stir that thing up real good.
I'm gonna let you stir
You gotta stir it up real good. I'm gonna let you hit it, man.
35, 36.
You gotta stir it up real good.
You know what I would almost call that an ultimate hook.
The ultimate hook?
Ultimate hook. One thing it doesn't have is hypnotic, but it's got every other drink in there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is how you do it right here. You gotta have it stirred up though. Okay, oh, they calling me. Miss, you ain't give me no change, miss. Oh, you wanted me to give you the 5? God dang, miss.
Hey, I hooked you up.
Miss, no, you didn't, miss.
How many times have I fed you at night?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about all them times. I forgot all them times. I do remember that one time, man. Yeah. All right, man. You have a nice day. Thank you. What, they got hot cocoa? That's what I should have got. Yeah, it ain't really. Something ain't right. Oh yeah, something ain't right. Damn, I really want to tell him something ain't right. Oh, so wait a minute. Damn, I gotta jump this fence too. Oh man. It's on Twitch. It's on Twitch. I'm gonna put it on Facebook. I'm in YouTube. Ooh, child. Breaking left and right. I might should have got me some hot cocoa. Smack Cam, appreciate the follow. Cross Solee, appreciate the follow. In Dallas, 923. You think this Ford truck rolling?
It's built right there. It's built right there.
Yeah, that thing not running, man.
Hey,
That'll whoop some of your bill, Johnny.
Can you let us be?
Hey. Hey, hold on. Oh, we got this black car right here. This, hey, what's up with it? We got Low Ball Racing, as y'all see, sponsoring right there in the bottom right. One time for the one time. Shout out to the Low Ball Racing, man.